In the previous video, we learned how IKEv1 Main Mode establishes Phase 1 of an IPSec CVPN tunnel. In this video, we'll focus on IKEv1 Aggressive Mode. We'll understand why Aggressive Mode was introduced, how the three-message exchange works, what information is carried in each packet, how both peers generate a shared secret, and why Aggressive Mode can establish VPN tunnels faster than Main Mode. Security concerns will be covered in a separate video. When IKEv1 was designed, one of the goals was to provide flexibility for different deployment scenarios. While Main Mode offers a structured 6-message exchange, some environments required a faster way to establish VPN tunnels. This led to the introduction of Aggressive Mode. The name Aggressive Mode comes from the way it exchanges information. Instead of negotiating step by step, the initiator sends most of the required information immediately in the very first packet. This reduces the number of message exchanges and speeds up tunnel establishment. Let's see how the process works. Assume Site A wants to establish a VPN tunnel with Site B. Site A becomes the initiator. Site B becomes the responder. The negotiation begins when the initiator sends the first packet. In this packet, the initiator sends supported encryption algorithms, supported hashing algorithms, authentication method, Diffie-Hellman group information, Diffie-Hellman public value, random nonce, identity information. This is a significant difference compared to Main Mode because several negotiation steps are combined into a single message. Once the responder receives this packet, it evaluates the proposed security parameters. The responder selects a compatible policy and prepares its response. In the second packet, the responder sends selected security proposal, Diffie-Hellman public value, random nonce, identity information, authentication data. At this point, both VPN peers have exchanged their Diffie-Hellman public values. Now both devices independently perform the Diffie-Hellman calculation. The initiator uses its own private key, responder's public value. The responder uses its own private key, initiator's public value. Although both sides perform separate calculations, they arrive at the same shared secret. This shared secret becomes the foundation for generating encryption and integrity keys used by the IKE Security Association. An important point here is that the shared secret itself never travels across the network. Only the public values are exchanged. This allows both peers to generate identical keys without exposing the actual secret. After processing the responder's message, the initiator sends the third and final packet. This packet contains authentication information proving its identity to the responder. The responder validates the authentication data. If validation succeeds, Phase 1 negotiation is complete and the IKE Security Association is established. From this point, both peers can proceed to Quick Mode, where IPSec Security Associations are created for protecting actual user traffic. Now let's understand why Aggressive Mode is faster. The answer lies in the number of message exchanges. In networking, every message exchanged between two devices consumes time. Even if the packets themselves are small, they still need to travel across the network, experience propagation delay, and be processed by the receiving device. Aggressive Mode reduces the negotiation from 6 messages to 3 messages. Instead of exchanging proposals, Diffie-Hellman information, and identities in separate stages, Aggressive Mode combines them into larger packets. This reduces the number of round trips required between VPN peers. For example, if 2 VPN gateways are connected through a WAN link with noticeable latency, reducing the number of message exchanges can significantly decrease tunnel setup time. The benefit becomes even more noticeable when many VPN clients are connecting simultaneously or when tunnels are frequently established and torn down. Another reason Aggressive Mode can be useful is in scenarios where one VPN peer has a dynamic public IP address. Since identity information is exchanged immediately, the responder can quickly determine which VPN policy should be applied to the incoming connection request. This makes Aggressive Mode particularly suitable for certain remote access VPN deployments where client addresses may change frequently. To summarize, Aggressive Mode is an alternative IKEv1 Phase 1 negotiation method that completes the exchange in just 3 messages. By combining security proposals, Diffie-Hellman information, nonces, and identities into fewer packets, it reduces negotiation time and allows VPN tunnels to be established more quickly. The result is the same as Main Mode. An IKE Security Association is created, but the process is completed with fewer message exchanges and lower setup latency. In the next video, we'll focus entirely on the security aspects of aggressive mode and understand why many organizations prefer main mode or IKEv2 in modern VPN deployments. Thank you for watching this video. You can reach us through Instagram and Telegram for network interview guidance and mock interview scheduling. See you in the next video. Happy learning!